Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a Wizkid kind of vibe, and also I'm gonna be giving you guys a nice one-shot compilation pack, just a compilation of some of my favorite one-shots. So let's go. So I was just scrolling through, Instagram, and I just came across this Wizkid video. I was like, oh, I'm gonna create something, similar to this kind of vibe. Okay, so I'm just gonna play you guys what the sample sounds like, and then I show you guys what I did with it, or how I made something similar to that, right? Nice. I just love that vibe. Like, the vibe is just chill, my kind of vibe, basically. My kind of vibe. So then we have this part. I don't want to play it because I don't want to get any like copyrights or anything. But yeah, so I was able to create similar kind of vibe, and I'm just gonna play my own what I did, and you guys tell me what you think now. And then I just show you guys how I was able to do that. So this is what I did. Yeah, so that's what I did, and I'm sure this sounds fine. Let me know, guys. Let me know. All right, so quickly, this is what I did, right? So I wanted to have that like Moroccan vibe they started with, like there's this drums I started with, right? So I just went over to Splice and I got this vibe to what it sounds like. Let me just turn on the drums. Sounds nice, right? So I just added modern melodies on it, and my favorite preset, which is the lo-fi echo. Yeah, so this is what it turned out into. Right, so then I just built my drums. So with the drums, yeah, then I added other drums. Let's put this. I'm gonna show you this. So for my kick, I have 2 layers of kick, one punchy kick and also one very soft kick. So that one's like a heartbeat. So we have this for a kick, and the other soft kick is this. So if you have to be to like your headphones to hear it. So guys, I just want to show you guys that you can get ideas from anywhere. Then I have that conga. Yeah, so this is conga. Then I have these hats. And guys, I want to show you something. You can actually create like an open hat, something like open and close hat, right? Let me just play what it sounds like here. So you hear what it sounds like. So let me just turn off this. You hear? You can see how the hi-hat just rings. But putting this now, it's like open and close. I don't know if you guys, if you are a drummer, you understand, like, right? So you can just do that easily by coming here, click on this cut by. So we have cut 2 and by 2. So I want this sound to cut it. So I just put the same thing. So this sound, whenever this comes or anything plays here, this is gonna cut. For example, let me just shift this closer. So you hear it sounds like, yeah, so you can see. Immediately that one comes, it cuts out the sound. Yeah. So it's something new. At least you've learned something new. Okay, so then we have for the drums, we have that. Yeah, then for me, I felt like we have like a Wizkid kind of vibe, and put with our bass. Can you hear the bass, man? Nice bass. And for the bass, I'm using Trillion bass. And I'm using the Trillion AC full range. Sounds really nice. I love it. Then I just went to Splice, looked for a Spanish guitar, something Spanish. I got this guitar. So But yeah, let me just turn that off first. So then added some sax or some sax vibes. So have this. Guys, and that's it, man. And then for this sax, just adding lots of reverb on it, so it just sits really well inside the mix, man. Then I just extracted the drums from the Wizkid vibe, so I have this. I just layered with my own drums, and also this one from the original song. So together, this is what it sounds like. So I just built my own drums underneath it. And this is just how I was able to get an idea from something I just had on Instagram, and able to come up with something like this. And to me, this sounds fire. Guys, I'm going to be dropping a free pack with this tutorial for you guys to just go enjoy. It's just a compilation of some nice one shots that I use, and I was like, okay, let me just drop something free for the community. So just go to the link in the description and you'll be able to get it for yourself. And I'm just going to show you quickly what's in that pack, right? It's just a one-shot pack compilation of some of my favorite sounds that I'm able to collect. So some nice, actually nice sounds that I think you guys are gonna enjoy. For those of you guys that like one shots, they will have some shaker loops. So and that's how that's the whole vibe. Let's just play everything together. Very guys, so I hope you actually got something from this. Even though you didn't get something like this, you're gonna get a nice one-shot sample pack for you to use. So if you got something from the video, just smash the like button, drop your comment in the comment section, let me know. And guys, I've started going live on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, so you could just subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and follow me on this platform so you don't miss my live streams. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're here to join the Patreon, link is gonna be in the description. Join the Patreon for amazing stuff in the Patreon. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video, and stay creative, guys. Peace.